Did you know your iPhone keyboard has a hidden trackpad? That's right, you can easily move the cursor around like a pro just by long pressing one key. Let me show you how to do this. This hidden feature turns your iPhone keyboard into a mini trackpad, making it super easy to move the text cursor precisely without tapping over and over again. Open any app where you can type, like Notes, Messages, or Mail app. When the keyboard pops up, long press the spacebar. You will see the letters on the keyboard fade out. This means the trackpad is activated. Now slide your finger around the keyboard and watch the text cursor move smoothly through your sentences. Lift your finger when the text cursor is in the right spot. You can also select text using this trick. Just activate the trackpad with a long press on the spacebar, then tap again with another finger and drag to highlight text. This feature is perfect for editing typos, inserting words, or selecting text without frustration. Once you try it, you will never go back. And that's how you use the hidden trackpad feature on your iPhone keyboard. It's simple, powerful, and built right in. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and comment below with your favorite iOS trick. Thanks for watching.